was dull until you came. I was breathless when...
Hi guys, we're starting today and we're at hing. We're at the Chinese warehouse. We're going to buy some food for us to try later for my little sister when she joins us after she finishes school. But we're just here at the warehouse. You can see it over there. So we're just in the car park waiting to go in. We're going to quickly just tell you what we're going to do. We're just going to quickly have a look inside, see what maybe bits we can try, new things, and have a look. Blue's with me today. Say hello, Blue.
Yo.
Anyways, well, we're just going to go in. Oh yeah, welcome to the channel. This is the first official actual food video, so I'm excited to get started really. We're going to try upload about like maybe once a week or so, just to start off with, see how that goes. But no, I'm like dead excited to just get started, start cooking, new ideas. Anyone who's like up for anything, just really like let me know. So let's just get inside and I'll just show you some of the food. Bye! Inside now, and we're at my favourite aisle, one of my favourite, the drinks. They have got so much of a range of drinks, so we're going to have a look. We're going to pick a few out. Ooh, this one looks good. So here looks like a watermelon. I like the design of the actual bottle itself, it looks kind of cool. I like that, so I'm going to get one of them. But for taste, I always like a tea with some sort of flavour, so, and I like stuff with bits in also. So we're gonna go for, oh, this it looks like a tea with no sugar, so that's good also. So we'll grab one of those, and we'll grab, there's one, I'm gonna look for one with bits in. Oh, let me show you here what I'm looking at. So I know there's this drink that I had before at this like shop like we went to before, and it had like tons of bits in it, and it was like little bits of grape or apple, and it was so nice, and ever since then I've never been able to find it. Let's see, let's try the aloe vera, but this is, oh, pomegranate, so let's try the pomegranate today. And then let's go to the other aisle, which is also my favourite. Let's go to the noodles, the ramen. So here we have the noodles aisle. As you can see behind me, this is just 2 aisles just for noodles. Now, I love noodles. Ramen's probably one of my favourite foods, and I love to cook it, which I'll do for you guys also one day. So let's have a look for my favourite ones first. We can't leave without getting my favourite ones, so hopefully they have them. Oh, so these are probably one of my favourite ones, which all of my family, everyone eats them. Let's get something a little bit different. See, I don't really like, I'm allergic to most fish, so I won't eat any fish ones, but anything with meat. We'll try like a cheap one. Yeah, he can try the fish ones for us. So, well, let's have a look what we got. I know my sister, she she'll eat anything as well. So, and my mum, she likes spicy. So this one is Asian style noodles. It's like got mushrooms and stuff on the side. Looks quite nice actually. We'll put that one in. And I like the ones in the packets better. I don't know why, they always for me taste better than the other ones, like in the bottles. And I like to go for ones that on the shelf there's not many left. That means that all of the Chinese people or whoever have been here and they have eaten it and taken it, so it must be good. So let's keep looking. Ooh. Look, we've got a seafood one, so we'll get that one for Blue. And ooh, this one I like as well. We'll give this one a try today. This is a different flavour. I've not had this one. This is shim ramyun noodle. We'll get those. And mainly like one different one that I've never had before. Oh, this one's shouting my name. This one just looks like a plain broth. See, I don't have my glasses, so I can barely see, to be honest. Well, I can't actually tell you what that says because it's not in English, but I know it looks kind of good, so we're going to go with this one as well. So I'm going to go to pay. That's going to be all I'm going to get for today. If I see anything else, then I'll show you when I get home, maybe a couple more little things, but I'll see you soon. Second video, we're actually getting down to the nitty gritty now. We're going to try our food. We have got numerous things here. We got from the warehouse earlier, hing, so you'll see that. Yes, my sister's got noodles. So let's get started really. So we showed you previously, we got these in the first video. Which my sister actually after ate half of the packet and finished most of them. So yeah, we're gonna move on. Should we start with the drinks?
Yeah. No.
Right.
Let's start with.
It's a bit hot though.
Okay. Let's
So
start
we
with
made
the drink.
we pre-made the
Let's start
ramen
with
things
this.
already. Right, let's start with that. Go on.
Bye. Okay. So. I got this like.
It's a jelly drink. Yeah.
It's peach flavour.
So let's give that a try. While she's doing that, I'll show you on to the next thing. So we got here, I showed you earlier when we was in the warehouse, this. It's like a brewed tea. Looks kind of nice actually. So we'll give that a try. What's that like?
This one's really good.
Really?
We've already had these, but
we've had them before.
different flavours.
Yeah, we never had the peach one. Nice. They actually have bits in.
It's like aloe vera pieces, but flavoured.
They do come in like a pack of like, what, 8?
6.
6, yeah. They're actually really good. They're called CC's jelly drink. So they're nice. Recommend those. So let's try this one. This one is not even in English, so I can't even recommend what it is. I can only show you the actual bottle, what it looks like. So this one.
But we kind of worked out that it's tea.
Oh, I don't know about that. It's actually nice, but it's like, I don't know. It's really herbal, but it's like
I don't like
fresh.
that.
It's like, no, I actually quite like it. Like, because it's not sweet at all. It's like
It needs sugar.
a cold tea.
It needs sugar.
It does what it
It's
does.
a bad version of Turkish tea.
Yeah, but if you ate something that's sweet and then drank that, that'd actually be quite nice.
Yeah.
Like a pellet cleanser, really, to be honest. Let's move on to something else. We start with the sweet stuff. We might as well open these.
Okay.
So we got these.
Popping candy.
My sister absolutely loved these. We've had these a couple times before, but this one's strawberry flavour. I don't think I've had
We've
strawberry.
had apple.
Yeah, we had apple. So do you want to open these? Yeah, and I'll show them. We got some really weird things today, guys. To try for you.
I don't know how you open it.
Oh, I remember this. I showed you this. We love the bottle.
gosh.
Like, I might actually
we
have to
just
keep
love
this bottle.
watermelon things.
Yeah, anything watermelon. But it's the liquid inside actually clear. Look, so it's probably like
So you have
artificial, but
a little strawberry packet.
Right, let's try it. Packet each, yeah?
Oh, look at my packet.
Where'd you open it?
Here.
Oh,
there's
yeah,
a little
that's it.
pear. Wait for me.
Alright.
Okay.
Let's go. It's actually really tasty.
Wait. Oh, I finished mine.
You can hear the popping. I like that.
It's really
It's a little
sweet.
bit sour for me. I'm not really a sour fan, but it's nice. I like it. You know, it's different. We also, when I was at the checkout, they was doing these little weird things, like herbal candy. I like trying like really weird things that
I've never
probably
had
like.
these. I think someone else in our family has had these once.
Let's. Oh, they're like
What is it?
little packets inside. Look, I'll give you one.
They're like,
I'll show the camera. Show them.
it's like, oh, it won't focus, whatever. It's like,
There you go.
You kind of can tell.
Oh, they're like boiled sweets. Let me show you how they look. They're like brown things. Oh my god, they smell so nice.
I can't smell it.
It tastes like marzipan. Oh, but it's
Oh
like,
my gosh. It's like hot.
it's weird.
What?
What is it? It just says.
It tastes like, you know when you have airways
Yeah.
and marzipan?
It says gives soothing taste to freshen your throat. But that's what it
That's
says.
a sweet, not a fruit freshener.
It's
just
like
general sweet.
it's actually nice though. I actually quite like. I think I might actually have to take these with me to work or something. They're like kind of nice. It's like your mouth feels fresh after. It's like they're nice, isn't it? I'll definitely buy. I would definitely buy these again. These are by Ninjinom. I don't know how to pronounce that. Maybe Tiff, you're better at than me.
Ninjiom.
Anyway, that'll be for later
So?
because it's gonna overtake any taste in my mouth. Shall we start with another drink? Then?
Come back to the drink. No,
Yes.
we have.
This one. It looks
we have
kind
another
of
three
not my
drinks.
flavour, but give it a
It's-
try.
What is
It's
it?
called grass jelly
shake.
drink.
I think that's just their original flavour.
It's probably not going to be very nice,
I can
but
open it for you. I think. No.
yeah, I'll do it with a spoon. Me. You have a smell. You go first. I'm scared.
I can't smell anything.
Right, go on. You go first. It's fine. I'll go. I'll go. I'll go. Oh no. That's not very nice. Let me drink something else. That's not very nice at all. Yeah. Do you like it? No, it's not nice. No, we don't like that at all. Alright. Moving on, because I don't even want to talk about that. It was disgusting.
That is,
Here,
not to mention.
which everyone wants to try.
Someone else.
It's aloe vera.
Pomegranate.
Pomegranate. I love these
Pomegranate.
drinks. I remember before I used to just go to the warehouses and buy like 20 pack of them. This one I've never seen before. Pomegranate. Oh my god. Right,
I wanna
so
try it.
I want to go first.
Oh,
Okay, you go first.
thanks.
Okay, there you go.
Oh my god.
Really?
I don't know, but it's just. Oh my god.
That's so good. So good. So, you know, earlier I said to you that I bought ramen, couple packets. I bought about 5. Well, I've only actually cooked 2, and I'll save these maybe for another video because we bought actually quite a lot when I got home. So we have these left, the seafood, which I know for Blue, but he's not here at the moment, so he's not going to be doing the video.
I'll try them. She
And-
is allergic to like
Yeah,
shellfish.
I told them earlier. So,
Yeah.
and this one is the shin ramen. Yeah, spicy.
Ramen.
Anyway,
Ramen.
it looks, packaging's nice. So we'll be trying those on the next video maybe or
we have
so.
another
Oh yeah,
one.
and those ones, I told you earlier, those were one of my
We
favourite
had
brands.
these, but
Yeah.
We have
So
the other ones which are more
then we
mild.
have these which we've cooked. So we have
the
this
bowl.
one. And that's in the bowl. Tiff, do you want to show them?
That's
If
really
you can.
hot.
Right, so it looks like that. Yeah. Right, okay. So there's one.
And
so
then
well, let's taste
there's-
these ones first, man. And we'll show
I was
them.
gonna show them.
Yeah? Alright, go on, show them this one. So then this is the one that's in like a packet. Look.
I really want to
like
try these
this.
ones.
These ones, they smell okay, but they're
like seaweed. A bit.
I'm not a fan of seaweed, anything
Because it
that's
had
fishy.
like a block.
So you try them ones and I try these ones and then we swap, yeah? So let's go with
worried.
these ones. We do have chopsticks, but we ended up using forks. But
It's really hot.
these are actually really nice. Oh my god. The flavour on these, should have probably checked before, considering with my allergies, which are...
It's really fishy.
It doesn't actually say a flavour, it just says garlic. They taste really nice actually. Recommend these. Quite nice. I'm gonna try the broth.
Oh, I'm gonna try mine.
Ooh,
if I can.
they're nice actually.
There is
Ooh,
like
they've got
no,
a bit of a kick,
there's no
actually.
broth in this.
Can I swap?
I don't think you'll like it.
Oh.
I wouldn't eat that. Wouldn't it normally you like an allergic reaction?
Oh no,
They're really
yeah,
fishy.
no, they smell really quite fishy, so I'm not actually
really
going to take the
taste like
chance with
fishy.
these, but I'll go with my sister's opinion. So these
Basically,
are rice
it just
noodles.
tastes like,
They look
it's
like
got pieces
this.
of seaweed in
Yeah,
and things.
they're not very great.
But,
Also,
I don't like
would quickly like to just take the time to talk about my upload yesterday. Obviously,
I'm gonna
obviously this is like today for me, but yesterday you guys
For you
watched it. Obviously, thank you everyone for the support once again, and hopefully by tomorrow we've got quite a few views and lots of people have seen it, so fingers crossed guys. And yeah, but anyway, moving on, next thing, let's try this. I'm so excited.
They are really nice.
Yeah, they are
I
nice.
really like them.
Oh, it's fizzy.
Oh, it's fizzy.
That's even better.
We thought it was just like flavoured.
Yeah.
Okay, my mouth's getting a bit hot now. It would be a good time for that drink.
Oh my god, that's good.
I really want to try
That's
that
really good.
when they see it.
Yes, that's good. Right, we got these. We opened them, and we didn't actually try them yet. So
Smell it.
my
How does
sister,
it smells really nice.
it smells rice actually.
Rice?
They're called Padang flavoured. I don't actually think this is Chinese. I
This
think
is really nice.
this is like Thai by the writing. I think this is from like Thailand or something. Obviously someone knows, drop it in the comments below so we can actually know what we're trying, but they are from the warehouse, the Chinese warehouse. So, but they're actually little squares. This is
You
this,
said it smells
this
rice.
is what it is,
What does
just
that
to
mean?
make sure you guys know.
What do you mean?
It smells like rice. Smell it.
Oh my god, it smells like we cook rice for our dogs.
Yeah, and it actually
And-
smells like that.
But sometimes you get burnt, it smells of burnt rice. I'm not joking. I think you're trying to prank me.
It's actually not okay. It's
I
not
don't believe
the best, but it's not the worst. It's not like disgusting. It's not unedible. It's like got layers. So when you bite into it, it's like
look.
hold on. Let me see if I can get a square out and show them.
Oh god, I can't
Yeah. Look,
breathe.
here they've got the layer. Yeah, you can sort of see the layers. Maybe if I open this, look, I've opened this one out. Let me show them. Look,
Okay.
look. So look at that one, and it's got all the layers inside.
This, I'm
Try it.
scared to try it.
It's not actually too bad. We've got another one which I'll put in the microwave, so I'll go grab that in a sec. Which is actually this. This is Thai as well.
There's,
It
I
says
don't
it
like
actually
that.
the joys of Thai. So it looks like rice and some sort of like it says actually description: sweet and light taro mousse topped with coconut cream and semi-hard ginkgo nuts, served with on a layer of gelatinous rice. So that sounds not too
Those
bad.
green block things are
Yeah.
not for me.
Before I get that,
I don't like that.
let's.
I have more
This
noodles.
my sister's excited for, which I love, absolutely love.
I don't go out all the
These.
juice.
No, but I'm just putting it in there so I can show them, and I don't. Right, let me find the front. Hold on. Yeah, here. Right, so that's what they are.
It's lychee.
Lychee. They
Syrup.
smell so good.
We love lychee.
Yeah.
If you've never tried it, go to the shop.
They're a little bit like
expensive.
eyeballs, personally, but
Yeah, they
like,
look like eyeballs.
do you know what? Get past that, and actually
I
just...
didn't like that at first, but
Oh,
then...
and they've got no seeds and they took
and
the
then
seeds
took
out.
out the seeds for us.
Look, some fruit. Alright, it's not fresh, but it's not bad. Here, let's try.
They're really good.
One second.
And she's back.
Right.
Oh,
So here we got.
I really like this.
Do you know we bought this
I
the
hope
other day?
It might be riper now.
We opened it and it wasn't very ready, but we bought this also from the China because we actually go quite a lot. So I don't know if anyone knows what this is. Don't say what it is. So everyone go in the
Show them
comments
the other side.
and say what you think this fruit may be. Winner, maybe.
We'll get like
Yeah, we'll see.
miniature.
We'll see how many views we can get on this video. But everyone comment what they know what this fruit is. I really love this fruit. This is actually a superfood as well. Obviously I'm a chef, so I know
really
quite a
good
lot
for
about
you.
foods, but it's
It's
like
full of
really good for
nutrition.
you. Yeah. Oh, do you know what? Look. Just look at the colour. Just look at the colour. It's like nothing from this. It's like from Avatar,
And
my
you
favourite
also-
film also.
And you also get red ones, and the red ones are
It tastes like
for you.
kiwi, but without the sourness. It's really weird, but it's actually
Let's see what
so
kiwi is.
nice.
Kiwi without the sourness.
Yeah, try it. So yeah, what else have we got? I think we're nearly like done. Let's just get the one more thing from the microwave.
I don't know what you mean.
It's a bit like a kiwi, no, don't you think?
I don't know. It just tastes
Right,
nice.
let me quickly grab that one from the microwave. One sec.
Smells well good, she says.
Right, so here we have this,
I was worried
Pudding,
about that one
it's a little
earlier.
bit hot.
It smelled funny.
but it smells so nice.
No.
It's like coconutty.
If you guys have ever done like that thing
It's
where
kind
you
of
make
weird,
your
look.
own,
It's kind
like,
of
little
pretty
burger. It
at the
smells
same
like
time. Build your own burger. She pranked me with that before. Oh, it's really
That. We should
nice.
post that.
And I was like,
I
oh
still
really?
have
Make
that
me one, make
video.
me one, make me one. Ate it. I was nearly sick everywhere. It was so disgusting.
That's what it smells like. You try it first. Oh, they have little. Oh, I thought it was gummies, fruits.
It
What's
smells
that?
nice.
It's really hot.
Yeah.
Is it nice?
No.
Oh.
It's
Thought so.
like a safe.
But I
It's
have
like
to try
kidney
it for the
beans.
viewers.
It tastes like kidney beans that have been.
Stop talking, because I have to try it as well.
No,
Speak after.
not for me. Weird. Definitely weird.
Try a little bit. Like, that much.
Sorry, it's just my dog, guys. She sounds like a ferret or something. No? No? Okay. Well, yeah. My favourite thing would have to have been the pomegranate drink. Show them. And this one. And this. This and that. For
My
a drink.
favourite thing
Oh, and this. I love
drinks.
these. And the food would most probably be the lychee.
My favourite food was the lychee. These
Oh yeah,
noodles,
these. Show them again. Them.
These
This. Those were those.
and I loved this.
Yeah, the
Oh,
popping candy
oh.
was.
I
And
liked
these.
everything.
I think these were still
We're
the
gonna
best.
try them again.
No, you just want to eat them again,
I'm
but
gonna
they were
try them
really
again,
good, honestly.
because I forgot
So
what they taste like.
this, not for me. Not for me.
No.
The dragon.
The dragon fruit.
Uh-oh. We'll have to cut that. We have to edit that out. Alright. Okay, anyway. Like, subscribe, and...
Like.
Like. Peace.
Bye.
And bye.
Where's it? Not this again. Not again.